Gall Bladder 42, the green star. So how you're gonna locate it?
It's proximal to the 4th and 5th metatarsophalangeal joint. Medial side of the tendons is extended to the torus.
So you flex your...
Can you see the arteries? See there?
Yeah, so the ligaments is here, and the medial side of the ligaments between these two ligaments, and there's an indentation.
On the lateral side.
Just the medial side of this ligaments and lateral side of this ligaments. So between 4th and 5th. And this one can be used for migraine.
Yep, eye pain, migraines, tinnitus.
Anything related with the heat on the lateral side of the body